Draw a big round sun. Add straight sunny rays. Add diagonal rays in the corners. Give the sun a happy face. Add a fluffy cloud. Finish with birds flying by. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Last of all, write the name. S-U-N.